Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to David Bowie. We are going to react to the song Word on a Wing. And this is our first time single take on his reaction. This is the first time listen that we are going to have for this song. We'll be analyzing the song after it gets over without interrupting the music, the flow of the music. Let's get started.
Yeah, our reactions are always spontaneous, in the now or impromptu, whichever way you want to look at it. That's how we do it. It's pure, raw, genuine and authentic reactions on Enoma every single time. Let's get started with our first time listen of this David Bowie song.
Into my life, out of my dreams. I don't need another chain, still forced away into my scheme of things. You say we're growing heart and soul. In this age of grand illusion, you walked into my life out of my dreams. Sweet angel, born once again for me. my feet.
Wow, this was quite different from David Bowie. I mean, from whatever I remember of all his songs heard. What are your thoughts on this song?
This was a prayer from him, offering prayer. The words are flying on the wings to God that he's praying to. There is no specific name mentioned. It is whatever we want to assume or imagine as our Lord is, and offer this. It was different. The music started differently and it ended slightly differently.
Yeah, it reminded me of Elton John actually, because the piano dominated. There was a little bit of those native drums in there at the beginning and little bit here and there that I heard. But it reminded me of Elton John's because of the piano. Elton John
There
style
was
of music.
prominent piano, and towards the end it was the organ.
But the singing style and everything else was, of course, quintessential David Bowie. It was beautiful. It was well sung.
Yeah.
For me, it was like a renewal of faith.
Yeah.
It seemed like he had lost faith in God,
Huh.
and this was like his renewal of faith again. Once again, praying, and it seems like a word on a wing. It's maybe suggesting it's like a tiny message, or it's just a start. It's not too much, but this is all he can do right now. Something like that. That's what I saw it as, a renewal of faith. And he's just starting off again, praying and things like that. And that is what it is all about. And there must be a backstory, or maybe fitting into a concept album or some kind of
Or
a
his
larger picture.
autobiography.
Yeah, so obviously it will connect more with fans who know about, at that time when the song was released, who know about what exactly was going on with him and what he was trying to get across through his songs. Yeah, what else? What do you make of the music and singing and everything?
I liked it. There were times when you actually felt that he is feeling connected to Lord. The way he was singing, each of those lines, the way he was singing, it was just not singing or just not for the people, but it was his own way of connecting somewhere spiritually. So, it's very difficult for two of us, and especially for me, to try and grasp almost each and everything about a song, which may say something and then it turns out to be something else when it is from the West and we are from a completely different background.
I don't think it's only about being from the West or East in this case. It is also about understanding a person's, a particular musician's music, which we have heard some of the best songs of David Bowie already.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is one of them, but we don't really identify one particular strand. Each song has been quite different from the next one.
It has.
You have Space Oddity, then you have China Girl, you have Let's Dance. So there's no real connection as such. So it's difficult because of that reason. But I still think it's something to do with renewal of faith.
Yeah.
But he's just starting, so he's
You
not
know why I
completely
said what I
there
said? We may be completely going on the spiritual strand with this song.
Oh, yeah.
But we reacted to ZZ Top recently, and the song was Jesus Left Chicago. The title, and it turns out to be in the comments. I'm not sure what ZZ Top wanted to send across, but in the comment section I did read that people were saying the drug industry or the drug mafia was traveling, and that's why it was a differently termed song, or something that had hidden meanings in it. So I can never be 100% sure, even if it is spirituality, is it really about spirituality?
That's it. That's why I say the listeners will understand more, and especially listeners from that time.
Yeah,
Maybe 70s, late 70s, 80s, when the song, or 90s, I'm not sure. But whenever it was released, who was listening to him then, they'll possibly get it a lot better than us. But it was really enjoyable to listen to. I liked the piano, I liked the musical arrangement, and yeah, it was enjoyable to listen to it. And I'm sure it has a deep meaning, and we'll definitely find out, I guess, through the comments or maybe in our research later. That's it for now. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about Kirti and me. Link in the description box below. Goodbye.